Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive straight into the world of cross-functional project management with Monday.com, your complete 2025 guide. First up, we start by creating a new board. This is your project's central hub, where all tasks, deadlines, and team members are visible. We do this to ensure transparency and seamless communication across different departments. Now that we've done that, you'll want to define your tasks or pulses. This is where you list out what needs to be done. The importance of this step lies in its role in breaking down your project into manageable parts, which makes it easier to track progress. Next up, we're assigning these tasks to team members. You do this by clicking on the person icon and selecting the team member's name. This helps us because it's crucial to delegate tasks to the right people to ensure efficiency and accountability. Now let's set up our timeline. Click on the timeline view at the top of your board. This helps us visualize our project from start to finish, giving us a clearer picture of deadlines and potential overlaps. Finally, let's use the automation feature. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is automating repetitive tasks like status updates and reminders, which saves us a considerable amount of time. And there you have it. Using Monday.com for cross-functional project management has never been easier. Remember, the key lies in setting up your board correctly, breaking your project down into tasks, assigning these tasks, setting up your timeline, and finally, automating tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.